Can one lip liner actually work for your lips, face, and brows? Apparently this one does. So as someone who is obsessed with multi-use products, we're gonna put it to the test. These are new from Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Soleil Multi-Use Sculpting and Defining Pencil. We have 6 different shades, and I love that these are deep set, like a real artist pencil, which means the blend is going to be incredible. To really find my perfect shade, I'm gonna swatch these quickly. First we have Chocolate Lava, Chocolate Souffle, Chocolate Mousse, Milk Chocolate, Chocolate Espresso, lastly, Chocolate Caramel. For the nose contour, I'm gonna start with Chocolate Lava. What I'm doing is I'm using the tip of the applicator so that I can get a precise application. Right off the bat, this is really creamy. Now I'm gonna flip it on its side so that I can cover more ground, get more of a diffused application. This also smells like chocolate covered oranges, which is so nostalgic. The blend on this is really, really easy to work with. Just see how easy that is to blend. If you are afraid of contour, I feel like this is the perfect product for you because of how precise the application is. You can do micro contour like this on your nose, lips, cheekbones. You can see the finish is really soft. It's natural. It's not overdone. In that same shade, I'm going to use for both my brows and my lips. Once again, I'm loving the precise applicator for the brow application. So we're really mimicking natural brow hairs. So I'm going to contour the lips. This really is a true all-in-one pencil. I could genuinely see this living in my makeup bag. I think it's going to be perfect for trips that I take. Look at how gorgeous this shade is for lip contour. I'm going to top the lip off with the Too Faced lip injection. This is the Maximum Plump in shade Honey Bear. I'm actually obsessed with this combo. All right, you guys, here is the final look. Like I said, if you feel intimidated at all by contouring, I think this is the perfect baby step. Let me know what you guys think, and if you try them out, these are available exclusively at Sephora.